Hi guys, today we are going to solve the million-dollar question. Is possible control the corrosion in my boat? The answer is yes. And we are going to follow some steps that I have in my book, the book of marine corrosion. In that book I explain the process step by step with a lot of details how to stop the process of corrosion in my boat. Okay, number one is we are going to use naval alloys, marine alloys. In this poster, I explain how to select ferrous alloys and non-ferrous alloys approved for marine environment. Use it always marine hardware, screws, fasteners, brackets fabricated in naval alloys, marine alloys. Those alloys are practically zero corrosion. If you use only those type of alloys, this is the step number one. Okay, step number two. Before you enter in the boat to verify the boat, verify the pedestal and verify the hot, the neutral, the ground bus bar. Verify the condition of the ground. In my book of marine corrosion, I explain how to verify the ground condition in a pedestal. Alright. Enter in the boat and verify if you have a good bonding system. This is the typical bonding system for a boat. Yes, you need to verify if all the metallic elements inside of the boat are connected with the central bonding conductor, and that central bonding conductor be connected with the external sacrificial anode. Additionally, verify, the most important, that the negative bus bar in the DC panel and the ground bus bar in the AC panel are connected with the bonding conductors. Verify that all the metals inside of the boat are bonded with the central bonding conductor and of course to the zinc. The zinc is the ground of your boat. Alright, this is the step number 3. Also, we are going to verify if we don't have leaks of current. In my book of marine corrosion, I have 3 methods to verify that you don't have leaks. The method with the voltage, the method with the amps, and the method with the ohms. With any of those methods, you can verify if you don't have leaks of current. The leaks of currents are the enemy in a boat because the leaks of current accelerate the corrosion in between the similar metals in contact with marine environment, not necessarily in direct contact with the salt water. If it's inside of the boat, doesn't matter if it's located over the water line, those dissimilar metals together in the marine environment can be corroded. The more noble metal attack the less noble metal. Right? Also, you need to verify if you don't have reverse polarity. That condition, the reverse polarity, is critical, is catastrophic in a boat. Verify that you don't have reverse polarity. If you have reverse polarity, you need work to solve that issue because the reverse polarity is one of the most common inconvenience to accelerate the corrosion in a boat. Okay, I explain in the book the procedure to verify if you have that condition and how to solve it, the reverse polarity indication. If you have that condition, probably the corrosion is accelerated. Other one, we are going to select the appropriate sacrificial anodes for the boat. In this poster, I explain according with the material of the hull and according with the type of water, what is the sacrificial anode recommended. For aluminum hulls, for fiberglass hulls, for iron hulls, and salt water, brackish water, and fresh water, what is the sacrificial anode recommended. You select the appropriate sacrificial anode, verify that you don't have leaks of current, verify that the bonding conductor is good, and also verify if your boat is protected with a good galvanic isolator. Check if the galvanic isolator is installed. Disconnect the galvanic isolator and check if the galvanic isolator is working. This is the procedure. You remember I explained in the video how to check a galvanic isolator. Verify if the galvanic isolator is working and if the galvanic isolator is installed in the ground line. Okay, if you follow those recommendations, you can stop the corrosion process or you can control the corrosion process in your boat. You find the posters, the books, the courses in my website, www.mrlopezclasses.com. In the next coming month, we are going to start a corrosion class. The corrosion class is a wonderful class. Please enter in my website or call to me, WhatsApp. This is my number in WhatsApp, and you can be part of the corrosion class. In the corrosion class, we are going to learn all of those procedures, and also we are going to learn the process to use the sure test. With the sure test, you can verify if the wiring in your boat is proper, if you don't have reverse polarity, if you don't have leaks. All of those elements are in my book, in my course of marine corrosion.